Good morning, student. Today's topic of learning is classification of the organic compound. In the previous video, we learned that the organic compounds are classified in two ways on the basis of first is the carbon skeleton and second is the functional group. There are two ways of classification of the organic compound, and the two ways are first is on the basis of carbon skeleton, and we studied the classification of the organic compound on the basis of carbon skeleton. And today we are going to learning about the classification of organic compound on the basis of functional group, nature of the functional group. This is the second way of classification of organic compound, and organic compounds are classified on the basis of functional groups. There are variety of the organic compounds, and variety of the organic compounds contain variety of the functional groups. There are various functional groups present in the various organic compounds. So, firstly, what is the functional group? Firstly, we see about or we learn about what is the functional group. Functional group. Before going towards the functional definition of the functional group, firstly we observe one reaction. We studied one reaction, and the reaction is, listen and observe the reaction. Two molecules of CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. It is the propanol or N-propene alcohol. N-propene alcohol plus twice Na gives two molecules of CH3, CH2, CH2O, Na plus H2. And the name of this compound is sodium PROTOXRT, sodium peroxide. Listen, when we observe this reaction, we understand that the reactant, it is the reactant propanol and it is the product sodium peroxide. So when we observe this reaction, we find that the reactant gets converted into product. The reactant gets converted into product. But what changes takes place in this reaction? When we observe this reaction, this is the structure of propanol. The organic compound in this structure of the propanol, it is the carbon skeleton CH3, CH2, CH2. It is the carbon skeleton of the molecule, and OH is the functional group. OH is the functional group present in the substrate. It is also called as substrate or reactant. OH is the functional group present in the substrate, and it is the carbon skeleton. So when we observe the product of this reaction, what changes we observe? The OH, we observe the changes not in the carbon skeleton of the organic compound, but we observe the changes takes place in the functional group of the substrate. So it is the functional group. OH is the functional group for the alcohol, and it is the structure of propanol. And when we observe the structure of the substrate molecule, we observe that the changes takes place in the functional group. The changes takes place in the functional group of the organic compound and not in the carbon skeleton of the molecule. So ONA means OH gets changes into ONA. So from this reaction we can define the functional group. A part of the organic molecule, a part of the organic molecule, which undergo a part of the organic molecule which undergoes a part of the organic molecule which undergoes a change as a result of chemical reaction is called a functional molecule. So how we can define the functional group? A part of the organic molecule, a part of the organic molecule which undergoes a change as a result of the chemical reaction. Means OH is the functional group present in the substrate propanol which gets changes to ONA. Means a part of the organic molecule which undergoes a change as a result of the chemical reaction. This part is nothing but the functional group present in the organic molecule. So OH is the functional group. So how we can define the functional group? A part of the organic molecule which undergoes a change as a result of the chemical reaction. This is called the functional group of the molecule. So a variety of the organic compounds contain various functional groups. So now we study one by one the various functional groups. And when we classify the organic compound, when we classify the organic compound on the basis of the functional group, nature of the functional group, the resulting individual class of the compounds are known as family. The resulting individual class of the compounds is known as family, and there are various families are present or file naming like family of the alcohols, family of aldehyde, family of ketone, family of halogen derivative. So the resulting individual class is called as family. So now we learn one by one the variety of the functional groups present in the organic molecules. So firstly, serial number, nature of the functional, name of the functional group, structure of the functional group, and the examples. The variety of the functional groups are present. So serially we see one by one. Serial number 1. Name of the functional group. Name of functional group. Name of functional group. Then structure of functional group. Structure of functional group, and then examples. So now we see one by one. First is the name of the functional group. Alkane, most common and every student knows about it. Alkane. The structure is not known, or not known. The structure is not, means we cannot write the structure. An example is ethane. Example is ethane. As alkane contain only carbon-carbon single bond, so we cannot write the structure. Second is alkene. As we know that alkenes are also called as paraffins. Why alkenes are called as paraffins? We studied earlier. Then next is the alkene. Alkenes are also called as olefins. Why alkenes are called as olefins? We also studied earlier. Alkenes are called as olefins, and the structure of the functional group is, as alkenes contain carbon-carbon double bond. Alkenes contain carbon-carbon double bond. So it is the structure of the alkene. And example is CH2 double bond, CH2 ethene. Next is alkyne, ALKYNE. As alkyne contain carbon-carbon triple bond, so the structure of alkyne is, this is the structure of alkyne. And the structure is CH triple bond CH. It is also called as ethyne or acetylene. Then next is halide, HALIDE. Various halogen atoms are present, and the halides are represented as capital letter X. Halides are represented by X. And example is like CH3Cl, methyl chloride. The various halogen atoms are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. The halogen atoms are placed in 17th group of the periodic table. So all the halogens are the functional chloride. Sorry. Then next is cyanide. Cyanide or also called as nitrile. Nitrile. And the structure of the functional group is C triple bond N. Cyanide. And the example is CH3Cl. Methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide also called as nitromethane. Methyl cyanide is also called as nitromethane. The next is isocyanide. Isocyanide, and the structure is, this is the structure of isocyanide, and the N positive, carbon negative. Isocyanide CH3 and C. Methyl isocyanide. Methyl isocyanide. Then next is alcohols. Functional group for alcohols is OH, CH. Example is CH3OH, methyl alcohol. These all are the various functional groups present in the various organic compound. So again there are more functional groups. Next is phenols. Phenol. AR for the aromatic. AR for the aryl groups. AROH. And the example is C6H5OH. And the name is phenol. It is the functional group of phenol. Next is ether. The structure of functional group of ether is ROR. R stands for the alkyl group, and the example is CH3O CH3, and the name is dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Next is aldehyde. And the structure of functional group of aldehyde is, as aldehyde contains carbon, double bond and one hydrogen. CHO is the functional group of aldehyde, and CHO is the functional group of aldehyde. CHO, and the name is, here we take the example CH3CHO, and the name is acetaldehyde. So these all are the examples of various functional groups. Then next is ketone. The structure of ketone is C double bond O. C double bond O is the functional group of ketone, and the example is CH3 C double bond O CH3, and the name is dimethyl ketone. So today we learn about the definition of functional group and definition of functional group and various name of the various functional groups, their structure and the examples of various functional groups.